Let's talk to Andy Warne. He's the Managing Director of the National Milk Records. Very good morning to you, Andy.
Good morning.
Right, what exactly does your company do?
So clue is in the name, National Milk Records. So we're involved in the dairy industry, and we deal with farmers, milk buyers, and the retailers. So we're providing services to each of those sectors, and the farmers we're providing management information to allow them to improve the efficiency of the herd. With the milk buyers, we're testing the milk that comes off the farm. So we receive a sample of milk from every dairy farm every day. And with the retailers, we are providing if you look at a milk from Tesco's or Sainsbury's, there'll be a little banner on the side which talks about the Tesco's Sustainable Dairy Group or the equivalent of the Sainsbury's. And we're the engine room that provide the data to give the retailers the confidence they know where their milk comes from. So we're testing 30,000 samples of milk a day, but very much involved in the efficiency and safety within the dairy sector.
Understood. You came in earlier in the year. Your market cap was circa 20 million. You're now up to 24 million. What's changed in the last 6 months? What are the key achievements?
Well, we're just improving on a day-to-day basis. So the turnover is going up in an organic way, and we're doing more and more for each of our customers. We're doing more for the farmers, more for the milk buyers, and more for the retailers. So we're just moving in terms of organically, and then that turnover is dropping through. So we're managing the business well, and we're seeing increasing operating profit, increasing EBITDA. And we're using the cash to invest in our business and pay down our debt. So we've reduced the overall debt within the business by £1.9 million in a 12-month period. So we're doing well, but we're doing well by doing the simple things right. At the same time, we've obviously got a view on the future. We're looking forward into new projects with each of our each of our customer groups, and also thinking about the possibility of a stepwise change.
So where do you think you'll be then in 3 years' time?
Well, we're going to be in the dairy industry still,
yeah, sure.
So we're not going to give up the position that we're in. We don't know because nobody knows, but we perceive that Brexit is going to be mildly positive for the dairy industry overall. But it will also demonstrate that there are opportunities in the other agricultural sectors within the UK. So we think that potentially we could recycle, if you like, some of our intellectual property into the beef sector or the sheep sector. They're going to be challenged when we come out of Europe. And so there's the possibility of getting into new sectors. There's the possibility of getting into testing for other agricultural commodities such as feed testing or soil testing. So we've got a very sort of aspirational view of the future. So 3 years' time we'll be doing what we're doing now, but we'll be doing it with greater rigor, and we'll be testing for other things. But I would imagine we would also be into a new sector of some sort.
Understood. And finally, why did you list on NEX?
NEX has been good for us. We have found that the liquidity on NEX has when you look at our improving business performance, the share price notches up a little bit. We announced some good results today, and the share price has gone up. So for what we're looking for at the moment, the NEX market works very well for us.
On that note, Andy, we've run out of time. Thank you very much. Great to see you again.
Thank you.